All right, so here we are. We just arrived in Adelaide.
It's a beautiful city.
Yeah, we've been put up by the wonderful Anne, who's given us a place to stay for a few days. She lives up in the hills. It's really nice up here. So what we're going to do?
Let's see. Oh, we have to go try frog cake.
Yeah, tell them about the frog cake.
So in 1922, Adelaide-based bakery called Balfour's came up with frog cake, and the owner of Balfour's, he'd gone to Europe and seen all their interesting desserts, and he's like, you know what? Australia needs something like that. So frog cake is it's vanilla sponge cake with, I believe it's fondant on top of it, but it's made to look like a frog's face, and they were an instant hit. And they're now considered like not a national historic site, but like a historic thing for Adelaide. So we have to try the frog cake.
Why the frog?
I don't know. Actually, he just chose a frog.
He just likes frogs.
Yeah, he just likes frogs.
Okay, cool. There's also a national park near here as well, so we think we're going to go and explore that. There's meant to be koalas there, so maybe we could see some koalas. I need to get new tires on my bike.
Oh yeah.
Because we discovered near that bit of silo. Where was that bit of silo art? Is
that
when
I
we
can't
came
pronounce
out?
the name.
It's when we came out to Melrose and
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. Anyway, like my tire's completely bald, so never had that happen before. I've never worn through a tire, so anyway, we'll get those replaced.
Another thing we have to see is Z Ward, or Z Ward, as they call it.
Is that
here.
like something from a zombie movie?
No. Z Ward is this immaculately preserved former mental asylum, and they have ghost tours at night, so we are definitely going.
All right.
I like a
cool.
good ghost tour.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so we discovered that right next to where we're staying, there's this weird sort of urban national park where it's a national park, but they also have like petting zoo or animals or whatever here.
Yeah, there's a nursery.
There's a plant nursery and stuff like that. Yeah, so we're gonna come and check it out. All right, we didn't really realize how big this park was, so we've come back in bike mode. So the bike seemed like a good idea up until now. What have you spotted, Bonnie?
A koala. So funny.
I wish I had my better camera with the zoom with me. Look at his little face. Koala finding mission accomplished. Bel Air National Park, what do you think?
That was beautiful. And this is in the heart of a city too. Like, that's really rare.
I think the guys who live here are really lucky. They've got that right on their doorstep. There's koalas, there's kangaroos, there's emus. Yeah.
So
All right. Well, somewhere over there, excuse the traffic noise, is a cafe. And I think we've earned a cafe trip.
heck yes.
I just came down old Bel Air Road at like 35 mile an hour and Bonnie is nowhere to be seen. There she is. How is that, love? A little bit stressful?
Just a little, yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Verdict? The legendary frog cake?
It's okay. It's just like a vanilla sponge. Anyway,
Is that it?
it's okay. I mean, it's got a face, so I like that part, but
Okay, bonus points for face.
it's alright.
Kind of reminds me of like it's bringing back childhood memories of birthday parties with a really sickly, horrible cake at the soft play. It's all right. And of course, it would not be a day out with Bonnie without visiting a cemetery.
That's right. No, okay, but this is a cool one, all right? So in 1948, a man who is called the Somerton Man was found on a beach, and he was brought to a morgue. No identification on him whatsoever. All he had was a piece of paper on him that said Tammin Shud. People have tried since then to solve this mystery. No one has ever found out what his name was or who he was in life. He is buried in the cemetery as just the unknown man. and it's actually been a pilgrimage of mine for many years to go and see him. Yay! And I have the map here.
All right, let's go hunt this grave down. Yeah, another one. Yeah? Good?